Dear student, welcome to this session. I am Khalil Ahmed Chikkerur, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SS Government First Grade College, Nirgul. Maths Paper 2, Vector Calculus and Differential Equation. So in this session, we discuss about derivatives of constant vector function. So constant vector function. So we already know that vector function has both magnitude and direction. A vector changes if either magnitude or direction changes or both changes. A vector f of t is called constant function if and only if its magnitude and direction are constant for all values of t. A vector function is constant means either if its magnitude or direction or both changes, then it is called a constant vector. Theorem: the necessary and sufficient condition f of t to be constant is df by dt equal to 0. So proof: let f of t be a constant, then f of t plus delta t, f of t plus dt, that is increment function, minus f of t equal to 0. So df by dt equal to limit delta t tends to 0, f of t plus delta t minus f of t divided by delta t equal to 0. Conversely, let df by dt equal to 0 if f of t is f1 ti plus f2 tj plus f3 tk. Then df by dt equal to 0 means each component is, so df1 by dt I plus df2 by dt j plus df3 by dt k equal to 0. This implies df1 by dt equal to 0, df2 by dt equal to 0 and df3 by dt equal to 0. We show that f1t, f2t and f3 of t are constant scalar, hence f of t is constant. So f of t is constant implies df by dt equal to 0 and df by dt equal to 0 implies f of t is constant. Next theorem: the necessary and sufficient condition of vector function f of t to be constant magnitude. If it is constant magnitude, first case general case, second is constant magnitude is f dot df by dt equal to 0. That is, the derivative of a vector function of constant magnitude is perpendicular to vector function. So f is a constant vector and its derivative. So proof: f of t dot f of t equal to e dot e, a mod, so absolute, that is value of f of t whole square. So differentiating with respect to t, so it is actually it is f of 2 into f dot df by dt equal to here absolute value of f into d by mod f by dt. So if you differentiate f of t dot f of t, actually this is f of t into df by dt plus f of t df by dt, which is 2f dot df by dt into here 2 into absolute value of f of t, that is d by dt of mod f. So 2 cancel, we get equation 1. Let f of t be a constant magnitude, then mod f is constant, absolute value is constant. This implies d by dt of mod f equal to 0. Hence from 1, so d by dt of mod f is 0 means the RHS is 0. So hence from 1 f dot df by dt equal to 0. Conversely, let f dot df by dt equal to 0 from 1. So mod f d by dt of mod f equal to 0. This implies mod f equal to 0 or d by dt of mod f equal to 0. Mod f equal to 0 or mod f is constant. Hence f of t is of constant magnitude. So d by dt of mod f 0 implies mod f is a constant. So if magnitude is constant, then f dot df by dt equal to 0. Next theorem, the necessary and sufficient condition of vector function f of t to have constant direction is f cross df by dt equal to 0. That is, the derivative of a vector function of constant direction is collinear to the vector function. Proof, let f of t equal to mod f of t into capital F of t, where capital F of t is a unit vector in the direction of f of t. Therefore, f cross df by dt is, so mod f into f cross mod f df by capital df by dt plus f into d by dt of mod f. So small f means mod f into capital F plus d by dt of f means, that is product, using product formula in bracket. So u is our mod f, v is capital F of t. So this, so simplifying, mod f into mod f is mod f square into capital F cross d by dt of capital F plus mod f into d by dt of mod f cross f capital. So simplifying, we get f cross f. So which is equal to mod f square into capital F cross df by dt is 1. Since f cross f is 0, so second term is 0. If f of t has a constant direction, then capital F of t has a constant direction. Also, mod f, capital mod f is 1, being a unit vector. Hence, f of t is constant vector function. This implies d by dt of capital F equal to 0. Therefore, from equation 1, so f cross df by dt equal to 0. Conversely, let f cross df by dt equal to 0. Then from equation 1, so mod f square into capital F into df by dt equal to 0, or f cross df by dt equal to 0, mod f if taken. Also, since f of capital F of t is a constant magnitude being unit vector, by theorem, f dot df by dt equal to 0. Since capital F of t is not equal to 0, from the equation 2 and 3, df by dt equal to 0. So f is not equal to 0 means, so its derivative equal to 0. This implies f of t is a constant vector function. Hence the direction of f of t is a constant. Since the direction of f of t is the same as that of f of t, the vector function f of t has constant direction. So for constant vector, we have three theorems. First, if both magnitude and direction is constant, change the equation 1. If magnitude is changed, theorem number 2. If direction is changed, the theorem number 3. 1, 2, 3. So next example, if r of t equal to a cos ti plus a sin tj plus at tan alpha k, then find dr by dt cross d square r by dt square. B, that is scalar triple product of dr by dt, d square r by dt square, d cube r by dt cube. So here alpha, tan alpha is constant, t is variable. So let solution r of t given vector function is a cos ti plus a sin tj plus a t tan alpha k. Dr by dt differentiate r with respect to t is minus a sin ti plus a cos tj plus a tan alpha k. T is 1. D square r by dt square is minus a cos ti minus a sin tj. This implies d cube r by dt cube. So again differentiate d square r by dt square, we get d cube r by dt cube equal to a cos theta is minus, so minus into minus plus a sin ti minus a cos tj. So therefore dr by dt cross d square r by dt square is third order determinant ijk. First one. Second is coefficient of ijk in dr by dt minus a sin t, a cos t, a tan alpha. So minus a cos t minus a sin t and 0. So simplifying, I equal to a square tan alpha sin t plus j. So minus a square tan alpha cos t plus k a square sin square t plus a square cos square t. So in the third term a square common, sin square plus cos square is 1. So here in first two term a square tan alpha common. So a square tan alpha means I sin t minus j cos t plus a square k. So next scalar triple product of dr by dt, d square r by dt square, d cube r by dt cube equal to third order determinant. So in the first row coefficient of ijk in dr by dt, in second row coefficient of ijk in d square r by dt square, like this. So dr by coefficient of dr by dt ijk in dr by dt is minus a sin t, a cos t, a tan alpha. So minus a cos t minus a sin t 0, a sin t minus a cos t 0. So minus a sin t into 0 by 0, first term is 0, minus a cos t is also 0, only a tan alpha into minus into minus plus a square cos square t plus a square sin square t, which is cos square wrong, is sin into sin square t. So taking a square common, cos square t plus sin square t is 1. So a into a square is a cube tan alpha. So scalar triple product of is dr by dt, d square r by dt square, d cube r by dt cube is a cube tan alpha. So reference is, thank you.